Start, no? Start. Okay. Pen. Write down then. So, we will start with this chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. Shall I start? Inverse trigonometric functions, right. So, in this chapter many formulas are there. First we will see those formulas, I will write one by one and then we will solve some numericals on that, correct. So, give me one module, we will solve, I will write one by one formulas. Okay, so just see, before that just I want to inform you what is the inverse trigonometry. If I will write y is equal to sin theta, this is called trigonometry, right. When it will become inverse, theta we will be calculating. So, this will come this side. So, sin inverse of y is equal to theta. So, this is called inverse, right. So, if this is sin theta, trigonometry it is, from here if you want to write, I will be writing like this. So, whenever sin to the power minus 1, cos to the power minus 1, tan to the power minus 1 is there, all those are nothing but inverse, right. So, in trigonometry how many identity like trigonometric ratios we have? 6, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot, right. And how these are correlated? Right angle triangle you will be making, theta will be there, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Yes or no? So, if I will be giving one of the trigonometric identity, can you calculate other trigonometric identities? So, write down, find other trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratios, let it be this. For example, if you have sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now, can you tell me what are the other trigonometric ratios? How to write other trigonometric ratios? So, yes, you will be making a angle, right. Let it be this angle is theta. So, this will be perpendicular 5. So, this will be how much? 5 square minus 3 square, right. So, this is nothing but 25 minus 9 root of 16, 4, right. So, yes, right angle triangle is there whose sides are nothing but 3, 4, 5, correct. What we want is other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios, first cos theta. What is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. Base is 4 by 5. Next, second one will be tan theta, right. What will be tan theta? Sin theta. So, I can write like this, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 3 by 4. Like that we can write all the trigonometric ratio, no problem. Same thing we will write in the inverse also. One of the inverse I will be writing, you have to write other inverse. Shall I start with that? Write down. If, put the same heading, if one of the inverse is given, calculate other trigonometric, calculate if, let it be, I will write like this, if sin inverse x is equal to, if sin inverse x is equal to, let it be, here I will be writing 1 by 2, calculate, or let me write like this, if sin inverse x is equal to, let it be, here you have 1 by 2, find other trigonometric, inverse trigonometric functions. Just see how to calculate. Sin inverse x is given 1 by 2. What we have to do? We have to calculate other trigonometric functions, right. How to calculate? Just here, whenever sin inverse x is given, no. So, x by 1, if nothing is there, can I write like this, x by 1. X by 1 means, yes, I will be writing this is nothing but one right angle triangle, theta is there, X is this is 1, right, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Base will be how much? 1 square minus x square. Can I write like this? I want to calculate other trigonometric, inverse trigonometric functions with respect to this. Yes, we can calculate sin inverse x by 1 is equal to, I can write cos inverse. What is cos? Base upon hypotenuse, 1 minus x square upon 1. Can I write like this? So, if sin inverse x is there, yes, I can convert in terms of cos inverse. Similarly, can you write tan inverse? Tan inverse x will be how much? X by root under 1 minus x square. So, what we are trying to do? Sin inverse we are calculating in terms of cos, sin inverse we are calculating in terms of tan. Similarly, can you write cot inverse, cosecant inverse and so on. So, next one will be what? Cot inverse of root under 1 minus x square upon x. Then next will be secant inverse of 1 upon root under 1 minus x square is equal to cosecant inverse of, how much it should be? 1 by x, correct? Like cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, right? So, here same thing will be in the angle. I hope all these things you might have studied in board. Now, we will solve some numericals on that. So, this is the first information that you should know, how to convert one trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratios, inverse trigonometric ratios here, right? Is there any confusion in this? Now, so now one by one I will be writing the properties. So, write down first property. It's there in your book also. I will just write one by one. Should I move to the next slide? Now, these properties we will be starting sin inverse, sin inverse x. So, sin and sin will get cancelled, x will outside. That's next page. Page number 16.1, right side property is there, right? Is there? So, let me write one by one. So, first property is like this, sin, outside is sin, inside is sin inverse x. What is the answer? X. But make sure this x should belongs to between minus 1 to plus 1. Is there like this? Sin inverse x is belonging to minus 1 to plus 1. Actually, you know why? Because here domain and range is written here, right? Sin inverse x, what is the domain? Set of value of x minus 1 to 1. So, here also sin inverse x is there. So, domain of this belongs to minus 1 to 1. Same way, cos inverse x domain is also written, tan inverse domain is also written. Range is also there. We called it, these are principal range. So, this box you have to remember. Left side you can see that box is there. Okay. Now, based on this, other cos inverse cos x also you can write, tan inverse tan x also you can write. So, whenever sin and sin inverse is there, these two will cancel each other, whatever angle is there it will come out. So, one is sin inverse will be inside, second property is here also let it be A, B and C property I am not writing, correct. Second property I am writing sin inverse outside is there into sin x is there. Now, also answer will be x and here x belongs to real number. Is it there? Not real number, x belongs to from, for principal range it should be from pi by 2 to pi by 2. So, what is the difference between these two? Sin inverse is inside, here sin inverse is outside. So, this is just a, for sin, this is like sin theta, no? That is why angle is in terms of theta, 92 minus 92 plus 90, correct? Similarly, this is A1 I am writing, B and C you can write by yourself. Am I right? Now, third, identities are given. So, here some identities are given, next page, page number 16.2. So, write it down one by one I will be writing, you also write with me. So, first identity is sin inverse of minus x. So, minus sin inverse x I can write, right. All these proofs are there, we will not go into the detail of that, right. Just we will utilize that. If sin is there, minus is inside, minus I can take common. You might know this thing, sin of minus theta, what happened? Minus sin theta, right. So, minus we can take common, no. That is why here also we can take minus common, right. So, these proofs are coming from there. But you know cos of minus theta is what? Cos of minus theta is not, minus is not coming, right. So, here also minus we can't take. That is why if you can see cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Just see, pi minus cos inverse x is there. But tan inverse x is minus tan inverse, because tan minus theta minus you can take common. Same thing in cot and cosecant also it will be like this. So, cot of minus x also Yeah, cot inverse minus x is pi minus cot inverse x, correct? Right. So, all these informations are written here, done. Now, next, after that, so this is the third property. Now, I will be writing here fourth property and so on. Should I write fourth one? Just now I taught you that sine inverse of my x, if it is, can be written as cosecant inverse of angle you just change 1 by x. Just now I wrote one of the trigonometric ratios, two other trigonometric ratios. That is the next one. Cosecant inverse is sine 1 by, secant inverse is cos 1 by, cot inverse is tan 1 by, correct. But one information if you see here, so same way 5, 6, 7 all you can write, or here I will be writing like this. So, A is this, B, C you can write. Actually in D if you see, no, cot inverse of x, it is nothing but tan inverse of 1 by x. Make sure x should be greater than 0. But if x is less than 0, if x is less than 0, no, in this case, so you will be writing pi plus tan inverse x, correct? Pi plus tan inverse 1 by x, pi plus tan inverse 1 by x. So, whatever things are new, no, that I am highlighting, this you should remember, this you should remember, this you should remember, right? Rest are easy, directly you can solve, but these are the different things which you have to keep in mind. And from where I am writing all this, everything proofs are there, but we are not going into detail of that. So, same thing, it is coming from the trigonometry only. So, if you know the trigonometry, these proofs are easy, but for us as of now we will not go into detail of that. Should I move to the next? After that, fifth one. So, fifth property, just say how I will be writing, sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. This 2 will be nothing but pi by 2. Remember, sine 90 plus theta is cos theta, or cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, is same thing. Angle of these two, A plus B, is nothing but 90 degrees. So, sine will convert into cos, cos will convert into sine. Same thing I can write like this, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. How much it will be? Pi by 2, right? Same, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x will be how much? Pi by 2. So, this is called summation of the angles. Is it clear, understood? No problem. Next property, what is the next one? Complicated identity. What are these complicated identity? Nothing but sine in terms of tan, cos in terms of tan. Just now I taught you. Should I solve any one of these complicated identities? Which one I should solve? A1 you tell me, which one I should do? First one? Third one? So, same thing, if less than is there, that you have to remember, if greater than is this, less than. This one I should solve, the last one I am solving, okay. Tan inverse x is given to you and then rest they are asking you to calculate. Yes, just see how to solve. Tan inverse x is given to you, tan inverse of x by 1 it is, right. I want in terms of sine inverse. No problem, immediately what I will be doing, I will make a right angle triangle. Let it be, this angle is theta, this is x, this is 1. So, this will be 1 plus x square. No problem. What I want? Sine inverse. Sine inverse means x perpendicular upon 1 plus x square. Done. Correct. Sine inverse x upon 1 plus x square is there. Any one identity can be converted into, are you able to understand this? Got that? Correct. Yes or no? Now, after that some other properties are also there, that also I will be writing. Seventh one. So, this property also is very important, 2 tan inverse x. If I want to write this in terms of sine inverse, so this will be the formula, sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Same thing in terms of cos, if I want to write 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. This is very important. Whenever you have 2 tan inverse x, no. Whenever this 2 is there with tan inverse x, immediately you can convert directly in terms of sine and cos. If 2 is not there, then this is the method to convert, right? If 2 is not there, then this is the method. If 2 is there, these are the method. From where it is coming? So, if you remember sine of 2 theta, one formula is there in terms of tan. Normal formula is 2 sine theta into cos theta, right? If you divide and multiply by cos theta, no, cos theta here I am dividing and multiplying. This 2 will become tan theta, right? 2 tan theta, and this is 1 upon cosecant is nothing but secant square theta. So, this is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Just see, exactly like this, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Yes or no? So, all these are formulas are coming from there, no need to worry about that. Whatever formula I am writing, no, that much if you write, you will get the answer. Next, 7th one is this formula, this corner it is highlight, these two are very important. Rest these are not much important. Then after that, if it is anything important, yeah, it's like that, correct. Now you write this type of formula is important after that. 8th one I am writing here. If you have like this sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, in terms of one sign I want to convert. So, like sin inverse a plus b formula you have to apply, a 1 minus b plus b root under 1 minus x square. It is like sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Remember sin a plus b, what is sin a plus b formula? Sin a plus b, that is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Yes or no? Just see here, x is there, so this is nothing but cos. If this is y is there, this is cos of this is nothing but this. So, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Directly from there only I am writing, right. Similarly, if minus is there, then what will happen? Here minus will come, correct. Same thing, can you tell me what will be the answer to the 9th one I am writing? In terms of cos I will be writing cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. So, cos a plus b, how much it is? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So, here also it will be remain as it is cos inverse x and y, this two will remain as it is minus 1 minus sin here, right. So, sin will be this. If minus is there, then here what it will be? Plus. I hope you are getting. Now, last formula I will be writing and then we will start solving numericals. Now, you tell me the 10th formula number 10, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y you tell me. So, tan a plus by formula do you know? Yes, tan inverse here I will write x plus y upon 1 minus xy. If minus here, then here minus and here plus. Do you know this? Tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Yes or no? Using this many formulas, we will try to solve some of the identities. Some standard substitutions I taught you in the differentiation. Did you remember some standard substitution root under 1 minus x square, what I should substitute? Do you remember? Like this, some standard substitution 1 minus x square, if it is x can be written as a sin theta or cos theta. Why? Because it will become perfect square. So, sometimes this also we will be using this with that, if you know. It is very easy chapters. Now, we will solve some numericals. Shall I start? Okay, fine. Now, question number 13th one, all of third question, third all of you try to solve. All of you try to solve third one. Just see what is given to you. Understood? So, this much formula I will be using. Either any one of this formula I will be using or this formula I will be using, correct? Now, third one I will be solving. Just see how to solve. Let me solve one question. So, question number third says that the solution of, question is like this, the solution of tan inverse x plus 2 cot inverse x will be equal to 2 pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3, correct. So, tan inverse x is there, cot inverse x, but 2 cot inverse x is there. Do we have any formula to convert 2 cot inverse x? No. What we have? 2 sin this, do we have any formula? No. 2 tan inverse x can be written in terms of sin and sin. Cot we do not have, right. But we can convert, if you want you can convert, but without that also we can solve. Just see how. Tan inverse x. So you think that yes, tan inverse and cot inverse are nothing but complementary of each other, right? One can convert in terms of other. So here one formula is there like this, cot inverse x plus cot inverse x. Which formula is there? You tell me, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. If angle is same, what we can say? No, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Just now I wrote. Just see here. Where it is, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. If angle is same, no, pi by 2. So here also angle is same, so pi by 2. Yes, because we want to eliminate x, right? So how you will be able to eliminate? Yes, this I can write, this is nothing but pi by 2 plus cot inverse x. Can I write like this? Is equal to 2 pi by 3. This I will be taking that side. So cot inverse of x is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2. Should I take LCM? 6 will be the LCM, 4 pi minus 3 pi. How much it should be? Pi by 6. Cot inverse x. Then you will be thinking that in cot inverse, which angle is this? Or x is nothing but cot, you take that side, cot pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degree, right? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So this will be how much? Only root 3. Understood? So x value of this will be root 3. Is it clear? Understood? Understood how to utilize? So any one of the property will be getting used here to solve this type of sums. Now all of you try to solve question number 4, 5. Do it. Question number 4 and then 5, 1 you do. Any confusion? You might have studied this in your board, right? Now here I am writing that 4th one, question number 4th. So question number 4 is this, sine is there, here sine is there, and here 2 cos inverse. Inside how much it is? Root 5 by 3. Very carefully you see and solve. Just see, sine and cos, this sine and this cos should getting eliminated, then only angles will come out, right? So somehow this 2 cos inverse you should eliminate, so that it will be, everything is getting eliminated. Now you tell me how you can eliminate here. Here sine is there, inside somehow if you are able to sine inverse something, this sine and sine will be getting eliminated, right? Whatever inside is there, that you can copy. Yes or no? This should be your strategy. Then you will be thinking that 2 cos inverse, do we have any formula 2 cos inverse in terms of sine? No. Maximum I can convert cos inverse in terms of sine. So 2 sine inverse x will be there, but we need only sine, right? Can we convert in terms of tan? So 2 tan inverse x formula we have in terms of sine. Which one? Just say 2 tan inverse x formula. Just say 2 tan inverse x we have in terms of sine. So 2 and here tan inverse should be there, but there here sine inverse x is there. So convert in terms of tan, then apply this formula, then sine and sine getting cancelled, this will be the answer. Is it clear? So how to apply that formula? Just see how to apply this formula. Understood which one I am trying to solve? So what I will be writing? This I will be writing in terms of sine is there 2. This I will be writing in terms of tan inverse. Now you tell me how to write in terms of tan inverse. Make a right angle triangle, base it is root 5. This is the hypotenuse, so 9 minus 5. Can I write directly 2? 9 minus 5, 4. Root 4 is 2. Now 10 I want, 10 means this by this, so 2 by root 5. So okay, x is nothing but this one, right? Now sine is there, outside is sine, inside I want to write in terms of sine inverse. How to write? 2 into 2 by root 5. Which formula I am using? 2 tan inverse in terms of sine inverse. The formula is 2x upon 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square. X is 2 by root 5 the whole square. Understood? Now this 2 gets cancelled. So whatever inside is there, that is the answer. Solve it. I hope you are getting. Same method you apply in question number 5.1. Do it. Question number 5. 4th one you complete first and then you solve the question number 5th one. Take pen and paper and solve it. Solving in mind, not getting. Just see, I will solve. 4 by 5 it will be there, 5, 9 will be down, 5 will go up, 4 root 5 by 9 is there, 4 root 5 by 9, will get. Denominator 2 by 5 the whole square, so 4 by 5, right? Take LCM, 5 plus 4 divided by 5, 9, up will be 5. Both the questions you copy and solve, the fifth one you solve after this. Yes, next question, how to solve? Outside is sine and inside now here 2 cos inverse x is there. There 2 sine inverse x is there. No, but 2 is there. No. Where you will throw that 2? Huh? So 2 I have 2 tan inverse x formula. Can we convert sine inverse in terms of tan inverse? Yes. Then you apply 2 tan inverse x this formula. Yes or no? Correct? So first you convert 2 sine inverse in terms of 2 tan inverse x. Then you apply that sine inverse in terms of tan and then you apply this formula. Try. If not, I will solve. Try, solve. Should I solve? Yes, tell me. What is the question? Fifth one, right? Or fifth one. Sine out in sine here 2 sine inverse, right? Root 63 by 65. Root 65 or only 65? Root, no? Whole root, no, I am dividing separately, I am writing. So, I will try to convert in terms of sine to tan inverse x. This I should write tan inverse. So, sine inverse x, if you write the right angle triangle, theta sine, this is root 63, this will be how much? Root 65. So, this will be this square minus this square root, so it is root 2 I think. Square means square root gets cancelled, right? perpendicular is root 63 divided by root 2. Sine 2 tan inverse x will be how much? Sine inverse x we want, no. So, sine inverse 2 into 2x, right. So, whatever total it is root 3 by root 2, 2x plus 1 upon root 60 by 2 the whole square. Which formula I am writing? 2x upon 1 plus x the whole square. If I solve, this gets cancelled now. So, here it will be, if I cancel root 2 into root 63 divided by down, it will be 63 by 2. So, 126 upon 2 plus 63 into 2 will be there. So, 2 root 126 divided by 65 is their answer like this. I hope you are getting, right. 2 root 126 by 65 is the answer. Same type of question, right. You just have to understand one particular question correctly, then we can solve. Now, you solve question number second. Highlight this, all questions are of the same type. Question number second, then question number 15th. After that, then 19th, all are same type of question. Which one? 1 by root 3.
19. 1 by 6, 1 to 6.
Okay, solve it. Question number second, all of you try to solve first. Second, you do it, or should I solve one question? Tell me one question I will be solving, rest you should solve. Tell me what is the question, second one? Tan inverse. Just tell me, tan inverse A by B plus tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus, A minus B, correct, A minus B. Many methods are there, I don't know which method do you know. Just see, I will solve it. So, first I will, as of now I taught you this method, if you remember, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Not pi by 2. Cot, if it is pi by 2, angle should be same for that. This one, tan A plus B formula. Do you remember this? So, denominator wherever minus is there, now I need 1 here. How you can make it 1? Tell me. Tan inverse A by B. Here tan inverse. Just see, A I will take common. 1 plus B by A will be there. Here also A I am taking common, B by A. Can I write like this? Why I am writing? Because I need 1 in the denominator. Correct? A and A gets cancelled. Now, tan inverse, this is nothing but A by B plus tan inverse. This is 1 plus B by A divided by, can I write like this, 1 into B by A? Yes, no. Because in this format it should be A plus B divided by 1 minus AB. So, x plus y divided by 1 minus. What is x and y then? X is nothing but 1 and y is nothing but this. Correct? So, this if I will be writing, this is nothing but tan inverse A by B. This formula right side is there. Can I write left side of this? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Yes, no. What is this tan inverse A by B? Let it be like this only, tan inverse A by B plus, what is this? Can I write like this, cot inverse, I will change that, A by B it will be, plus this value is nothing but pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is nothing but in angle, if you say pi by 4. Why I am writing? Because if angle is same, this 2 summation is nothing but pi by 2, pi by 4. So, this will be the answer. Just see the option 1 by 1. Understood what I did here? Tan inverse I converted in terms of cot inverse. So, I should change the angle. So, cot inverse A by 2. Then I saw that okay, both angles are same. One is tan inverse, one is cot inverse. Summation of sin inverse plus cos inverse is pi by 2. Yes or no? Tan inverse plus cot inverse is pi by 2. So, pi by 2 plus pi by 4 will be the answer. I think it is independent of A and B. Is there like this?
Both A and B.
Yeah, it is independent of both A and B. Just result is not dependent. any value of a and b you can take. Option 4. Yes or no? Very, very, very important type of question. Now, rest of the questions you try to solve. Rest of the questions you do it. What are you doing? Which one?
We finished 15th and 19th.
Got the answer.
Without solving it. Those are fixed questions for boards.
Now you solve again, you solve.
I have it.
Right. Now you solve. No need to by heart also. Then should I solve which one? Should I solve the 19th one? 15? Which one I should solve? Should I solve? Yes, tell me the question. How much? Tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of. Are same question. Last whatever you wrote, tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse, what you can write, 1 minus y by x divided by 1 plus y by x. Can I write like this? Which formula I should use? Same. If you have minus, then it will be tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of y by x. Yes or no? If I solve, this will be tan inverse x by y minus, this is nothing but pi by 4 and this is tan inverse of y by x. Correct? So, again I can convert in terms of that. So, this is tan inverse of x by y plus cot inverse of x by y minus pi by 4. What is this 2 value? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4. Same process is there. Correct? Is it clear? Which one are you solving?
The
20th one should I solve? Okay, fine. Now we'll solve which one? Which one you told?
20th one is there, sir.
20th, 20.
Yeah, still.
Yeah, can be done. Should I solve? Tan inverse 1 plus that side what is tan inverse 89, right? Can I write tan 90 minus 1?
Stan is given, sir. No inverse.
Inverse no, normal it is trigonometry. Just here, which one it is? 20th.
Yes.
Just you have to solve. Tan inverse is not given. Tan 1 degree plus cot 10 only, right? Tan 89 degree it is given. Now we can't apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Those are inverse. But what we can do here, I can write like this, tan 1 degree plus this I can write tan 90 degree minus 1 degree. Can I write like this? So this will be tan of 1 degree plus 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot of 1 degree. Can I write like this? Which formula I should use after this? So this, if you don't know, you just write it in terms of, so let it be sine inverse. I will be writing in terms of sine and cos. Sine 1 degree, cos 1 degree. This is cos 1 degree divided by sine 1 degree. Can I write like this? 10 you can divide, no? Now cross multiply you do. So sine square you will get 1 degree plus here what you will get, cos square 1 degree. Denominator you have sine 1 degree, cos 1 degree. Correct? What I will be doing here, just see, I will just multiply and divide because this value is nothing but 1, right? Which identity it is? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I am just multiplying 2 and 2 here. Why? Because this identity is nothing but 1. So this expression will convert in terms of, so this what it will be, that is nothing but 1 into 2 divided by, this is which one? Sine of 2 degree, 2 into 1 degree, sine 2 theta formula it is. Do you know sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Note it down if you don't know. 2 sine theta into cos theta is sine 2 theta. So 2 divided by sine 2 degree will be the answer. Is there? 2 divided by sine 2 degree.
So when you are getting tan 1 degree plus cot, you can't apply this formula, tan inverse plus cot inverse.
Inverse it is not there, it is 10. If inverse will be there, we could have applied. If it is inverse, no problem, but inverse is not there, that is the problem. Now you solve next one. All of you solve 18th one, do it. Question 18th one, all of you will try to solve.
2.0.
Hey, don't talk, do it by yourself. 20, then 23. 20, then 23, then 25, 27, 31, 31. Complete this. Which are the value I told you? You do it one by one. I started with which one? 18th, yes. Then 23, yes, do it. 18, 23 and so on, do it. If not, please tell me, I will solve one by one. 18th I told you to solve, no? Did you get that? 2 sin inverse x is something is there, no? But we want 2 tan inverse. Then only you can apply in terms of sine, right? First question I think that I solved. So convert that 2 tan inverse, apply that in terms of sine. Outside sine, that sine gets cancelled. So one pattern is there, either that type of question or this tan type of question comes, right? So you have to observe that pattern also.
Sir, in 23rd question, it's given value of sine inverse 2 root 2 divided by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 3. You can apply that formula, sine inverse x plus sine inverse.
Can be done. But first 18th you solve, no, then you come to that. Eighteenth one, are you getting back side? What the answer? No.
That's in points.
Fraction it is. Just tell me the question.
Value of sine
The value of sine,
2 sine inverse 0.8 is equal to
sine here inverse,
no,
sine 2 sine inverse
0.8.
0.8. If I will remove, can I write upon 10? So sine here 2 sine inverse, what you can write? 4 by 5 can I write? I told you whenever 2 is there, you just try to convert in terms of 10. Tell me how to convert in terms of 10. So make a right angle, theta 4, this will be 5, so this will be 3. Tan inverse 4 by 3 I can write. Yes or no? Inside I will try to make it in terms of sine. Sine inverse will be 2 into 4 by 3 divided by 1 plus 4 by 3 the whole square. Which one formula it is? Raise 2 tan inverse in terms of sine inverse. Now sine gets cancelled. So 8 by 3 upon 9 plus 16 by 9. If I will multiply 8 by 3, here 9 by 25. 3 times is there 24 by 25. Okay, fine. 0.96. Yes or no? It's very simple. You have to observe one pattern. This is one pattern, the tan inverse is another pattern. Correct? Now the next one you do. What is the answer? Should I solve? Did you get the answer? Huh? Okay, next question you do. Please don't talk backside. What are you doing?
So,
Yeah.
in 31st question, inside the bracket, it's 2 sin inverse. I think that you have to do that.
Hmm.
Prove that.
Yes.
It's 2 sin inverse plus cos inverse.
2 sin inverse x plus.
Cos x.
That can be eliminated. Sin inverse plus cos inverse, you know, pi by 2, right?
Yeah.
So 2 sin inverse can be written as sin inverse plus cos inverse. Correct? One sin, one cos will become pi by 2 plus sin inverse, like that it will be.
You don't need to put tan.
No. Only if 2 sin inverse x is there outside, one more trigonometry is there, then it works.
So it's just a cos multiplied to 2 sin inverse x plus
Huh, but other informations are also there, no? Tell me, give me the question, which one it is?
31st.
31st. What is that? Cos outside?
Cos
Cos
of 2 sin
2 sin inverse
3 by 5.
3 by 5,
4.
4 by 5.
3 by 4.
2 sin inverse 3 by 4 plus
Plus cos inverse 3 by 4.
cos inverse.
3 by 4.
So, this can I write like this cos, here I will be writing sin inverse 3 by 4 plus sin inverse 3 by 4 plus cos inverse 3 by 4. Can I write like this? What is sin inverse x plus cos inverse? Pi by 2. So, here I will be writing sin inverse 3 by 4 plus pi by 2. Can I write like this? No problem. Now, one more information you tell me. Cos, this is 90 degree, correct? And let it be this angle is theta. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Now, minus sin, what is theta? Sin inverse of 3 by 4. Now, sin and sin gets cancelled, right? Minus 3 by 4 will be the answer. Understood? Many methods are there, whichever, like since I remember all the formulas, so I can apply anyway. So, whichever formula you know, according to that you have to do. That is why only limited formula I wrote here, right? Only those formula you remember it, rest you can solve. Yes or no? Is there any question left out? Copy first. Done. Till 31st done, right? Now come here, self test. Self test. Question number 4. 4, then 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Then 9. Then 12, this much you do. and then 15th one last question will do. Which one you are solving? Sixth one. Okay. Should I solve? Done? Are you matching the answers, right? Good. Next you do. Yes, tell me. Should I solve any question? Which one? 7-1. Should I solve? Which one? Yes, tell me. Which one? Which one? 1-5. Tell me the question. The value of tan inverse 2 sine 2 cos inverse root 3 by 2. Just here, whenever you have like this so many brackets, no, always you start with the back side. Let it be this. Here sine inverse is not there. Here sine. You tell me in cos whose value is root 3 by 2? In cos theta cos 30 degree is this. Sine where it is? Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. For cos it should be 30 degree, right? So this value is nothing but pi by 6. Can I write like this? So here 2 sine. This is 2. If I cancel, can I write pi by 3? Now you tell me, that's why here sine inverse is not there, just sine it is. Because directly you can give the answer 2. Sine 60 degrees what? Root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, right? Now tan inverse root 3. So in tan, where is the root 3 value? Pi by 3. Pi by 4 is 1. Pi by 3. Correct? So always you should start from this side and then slowly you will get to the desired result. Here always what you have to observe, one inverse will be there, one normal will be there, one inverse will be there, one normal will be there. Correct? Understood? Last question you solve, but still 20 minutes is there.
70
Huh? Which question?
So section then you solve 16.
Which one?
Section then you said three.
Yeah, do it, try.
You didn't say only 15th one is wrong.
Yeah.
This guy ignored one question.
Solve.
X is equal to sin inverse.
So next class if sir comes, sir will start with the new chapter, huh? Or if I comes, I will start. This is done, I think, matrix.
Yeah,
Matter is easy. Matter is written as relation.
That is formula. If x is equal to sin inverse k, y is equal to cos inverse k, then the correct relationship, it should be x plus 1, right? Plus y is equal to pi by 2.
Correct. Sin inverse x k plus cos inverse k is pi by 2. Now whichever is left out, that you start solving from the beginning of self test. This chapter is easy, huh? One question will come in your exam, you should be able to. This LPP, do you know LPP? Linear programming. Right? Is easy, no? So today you mark as homework. Or should I solve? We'll move to the next chapter. LPP, I will complete in today itself. 5. Yeah, graph. Yes. Should I start? It's very easy. Open then LPP. LPP, directly I will take one question, I will try to solve that. Just see, give me one question I will take. Which one I should take? Okay, this one I will be taking. Third one. Question number 3. One graph is here, right? So suppose if lines are not there, no. If suppose lines, or wait, let me solve one question only better. Calci, if you are not using, it will be better. If you are using, let's see. Okay, so I'll solve question number 2 from the self test. Question number 2 from the self test. If some constraint will be given to you, if x plus y is less than 2, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. These are the called constraint, right? Then the maximum value of z, whichever you want to maximize it, it is here 3x plus 2y. I want to maximize it z. So for that purpose I need x and y, right? How to calculate x and y? x and y we have to calculate the corner points of the constraint. So, first we will try to calculate the corner point. How to solve this equation? X plus y is equal to 2 I will solve. I will make this type of box. Do you not know this box? X, y, yes. Put x 0. If you put x 0, how much y it will be? 2. Put y 0. If y is 0, x is 2. So, calculation will be easy. That is why we are putting like this. Now, I will draw both the lines. If I will draw this line, this is y axis, this is x axis. Where is the point? First point is 0, 2. So, this is that 0, 2. And this point is 2, 0. I will join one line. Let it be color of the line. I will change. Let it be, this is the line. Okay. This is the line. What is the equation of this line? X plus y is equal to 2. If equal to is there, no, point will be on the line. But here it is less than also, right? So, for that purpose you have to do checking, because all the intervals are answer. Either this side, left side will be the answer or above. How to check? Since origin is clearly visible this side, so I can check at origin. 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 2. 0 is less than 2. Is it true or false? True. Means which side our origin is there, that is the answer. Yes or no? So, towards the origin side will be your answer. So, which side is your answer according to this? This side will be the answer. Correct? But here it is mentioned that x and y both should be greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? Positive value. X and y positive is in the first quadrant, right? So, where is the graph in the first quadrant? This? Yes or no? So, the shaded region is this one. So, how many corner points you have? 1 corner point, 2 corner point, 3 corner point. So, maximum of that you will get out of these corner points. How to check? So, z let it be like this. I should substitute 0, 0, first corner point. Then this is 2, 0, second corner point. Then 0, 2, third corner point. Corresponding to that, what is the value? 3 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. Then 3 into 2 plus 2 into 0, 6. 3 into 0, 2 into 2, 4. Where is the maximum? This is the maximum, right? So, corresponding to that point is the point of maxima. Where it is? 2, 0. This is the point of that they are asking you to calculate. If minimum, then here 0 is the minimum. So, that will be the minimum. Understood how to solve? It's very easy. Whatever equation is there, less than if it is, just draw like this. Sometimes more than 2 equation will be there. No problem. Individually you can solve and one by one you can get the answer. Yes or no? Now you solve question number 4th one. Py cube, 4th one.
This is previous year.
Yeah, it's written no, previous year KCET. 4th one you do it. Right, question number 4th one all of you will be solving.
A feasible region x plus 5.
Should I solve?
Done, sir.
Okay, done.
Able to solve? Huh?
5 comma 0.
5 comma 0.
How it is so fast?
Sir, direct question.
Direct.
Just substitute x and y.
Which one?
You have given options. Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Of which equation you will be substituting?
11x plus 7y.
7 x plus 7.
Substitute x and y there.
Correct. Now without that you solve.
Huh?
Huh?
It is long, that's all.
That will be long, sir.
How?
But case it, you have
Like
to be
it.
fast.
Do like that,
Yeah, do it. By that method you solve. Suppose these 4 points you don't know, then you solve. I know it is easy, but first you solve that using that. Suppose these points are not there.
Not there.
You are solving for board teacher. Fifth one should I solve? Fifth one. I'll solve. 4 you solve, I solve that fifth one. See, you are not able to solve, no? I was knowing.
Done, sir.
No, not by option method. Normal method you
No, I
solve.
was substituting the corner points value. That's it. You have to solve the both equations.
What is that corner point first you tell me?
First one is 5 comma 0. Second one is
0 comma 5 I think.
the origin is 0 comma 0. Then upward it will be
0 comma something.
no, it is 0 comma 2.
Ah.
No, 0 comma 3. Yes. Yes.
Should I solve? See, you are not able to solve. I am solving here, just see. Which question? Question number you tell. Question number 4. Diagram is mentioned here, right? So, you tell me the diagram. X axis, y axis. First diagram is like this, huh? Am I right? Tell me the equation of this question. 11x plus
11x plus
X plus y is equal to 5.
x plus y is equal to 5. One more line is there, right? So both lines are intersecting somewhere. Let it be like this. What is this equation? X plus 3y is equal to 9. 9. Correct. So now we know that this they are saying that feasible region, right? This is the feasible region. Color is mentioned here, right? How many corner points you have? This is first corner point, second corner point, third corner point. Let it be, I am giving name A, B, C. Tell me the coordinate of A. So A and C is on y axis. Can I write like this? A and C points are nothing but on y axis. So what is the x coordinate of that? So x will be 0. Yes or no? Y coordinate. X is 0. Put here 0. So y is equal to 5 minus 0. That is nothing but 5. So this coordinate is 0 comma 5. Can I write like this? What is this coordinate? Same thing. Put x is equal to 0. So this is C coordinate. This is A coordinate. So 3y is equal to 9. Y will be 3. So this is 0 comma 3. Now this coordinate how to calculate? Point of intersection of these two.
3 comma 2.
Yes, you have to solve. So here I am solving. POI I am writing. Point of intersection. X plus 3y is equal to 9 and here x plus y is equal to 5. I should subtract all that. This gets cancelled. How much it is? 2y is equal to 4, right? So from here y you will get how much it is? 2. Substitute in any one of the equation. 5 minus x. 5 minus 2, how much it is? 3. So that coordinate also we got. How much it is? 3 comma 2. Now you know how to maximize, minimize it, right? So here I will be writing z. Tell me what is the z value?
11x plus
Z that you have to maximize is 11x plus 7y. What are these points? So point A you know 0 comma 3. You calculate z. 11 into 0 plus 7 into 3, 21. Then B 3 comma 2. Z will be 11 into 3 plus 7 into 2. How much it is? 33 plus 14. I think 47. Next C 0 comma 5. Z will be 11 into 0 plus 7 into 5. How much it is? 35. So this is the maximum, right? Corresponding to that point will be the point of maximum. Is it clear? Understood? Any confusion? Sure, no? Now last question. Those who will be solving will go home. If not, you have to be here only then. Should we start? Which one?
Which one?
Question number 6th one all of you do. This 6th did you do? No. Self-test question number 6th, do it.
Which one?
Which one?
This one?
Have you tried 5th one? What is the question 5th one? You saw that big question and left it? Corner points of the feasible region determined by the system of linear equation is this. Just see here. These are 3 corner points. Z is this. Condition for PEQ such that minimum of Z value occur at this and this. No problem. Just see here. So first you put 0, comma 3 here. Then 1, comma 1 here. Then 3, comma 0 here. Right? What they are saying? Minimum value occurs at this and this. Right? So you substitute, no, this 0 comma 3 comma 0 you substitute. How much it will be? Px plus Qy at 3 comma 0, P into 3 plus Q into 0, right? So 3 Pi will be writing. Then 1 comma 1 you write. P plus Q can I write? Is equal to 3P. That is what, no? Minimum value, both are minimum. So Q is equal to 2P, Q is equal to 2P. Is there? First option only. Did you get the answer? No. Point of intersection you have to calculate. Is it in first quadrant? Huh? Yes. So in the first quadrant, point of intersection you should calculate, right? Then you will get feasible region. Corner points you calculate, put the value. You will get the answer. Mark it as homework, right? Tomorrow you solve and come. Right? Yes, I am assigning some more questions to you. You should solve and come. Give me pen, sorry. Solve the question number 2nd also you can do. 3rd, PYQ I am writing. 6th one, he asked 5th one. This much you should do. Should I repeat? 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 4th already done, 5th, 6th. Then 6th one I told you to solve, right, from the self test. 6th one. 4th also you solve from the self test. This much you should solve and come. Okay, then we'll meet in the next session. Bye bye, take care.